This is Olive Mill and Virginia Road. And it is a mess over here too. Pretty crazy. There's just so much. Propane tanks, we got kayaks. It's unreal. This is the 101 freeway. This is the southbound side here. That's the northbound side. And it does look like it's gone down just a little bit, maybe like 6 inches. But honestly, I have no idea how they're going to clear this up in the next 3 weeks. There's so much stuff here. So much stuff. It's just crazy. It's still like 8 to 10 feet deep. So here's the other side. I'm gonna head over there in a second. They're plowing. I mean, that's as deep as they can go, and it's super deep.